oil yet.
I've never been to the beach before, and today's the day.
Ugh.
I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the beach. Did you hear, Bam? Today's the day. Batman and Robin are taking us to the beach.
I think the whole Batcave heard you.
I can't help it. I'm just so excited to test out the new sand mode on our tires.
Hey, yo! Save those for the sand.
So are you as stoked as I am?
You know it.
It's gonna be a blast. We'll cruise up the coast, feel the wind on our hoods, jump gnarly sand dunes, play some beach ball, and maybe even stay up all night to watch the sunrise.
Fantastic! You've got the whole night planned.
Batman and Robin are on their way.
They're coming!
It's happening!
Ready to test out the sand mode wheel upgrade. Thanks for installing it.
Well, I hope it didn't tire you out.
I don't get it.
I'll beat you to the snack truck.
That'll be a first.
Hey, I didn't say go. Oh, I'll have a mega cherry swirl. What about you, Batman?
Give me a dark chocolate swirl. Extra dark.
Surfing seagulls? Today's been even better than I imagined.